You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to turn on volume control on the lock screen of your iPhone. The volume slider is usually always visible on the lock screen when media is playing. If you cannot see it, we need to check a few settings. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics, or just Sounds. Next, scroll to the bottom of this menu and find the option labeled Change with Buttons. Make sure this switch is turned on and green. This setting links your physical volume buttons to the on-screen slider. Now lock your iPhone again. To test it, start playing any audio or video from an app like music or YouTube. As the media plays, wake your lock screen by tapping it or pressing the side button. You should now see the volume slider appear right below the media playback controls on your lock screen. You can adjust the volume by sliding this control left or right with your finger. If you still do not see it, ensure your phone is not in silent mode by checking the switch on the side of your device. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.